Are you guys facing the problem in Cash App? When you open your Cash App, it just closes again automatically without saying anything. So if you try to open your Cash App multiple times and it just shows you the same problem multiple times, then you guys are at the right video. Because by the end of this video, you guys will understand how you guys can fix your Cash App's not opening up problem. And before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump into the video. The first step you can do is you can just close your Cash App. Well, your Cash App is not opening up, so you don't have to worry about closing it, alright? Just hold on your Cash App icon, click on App Info. Once you go on App Info, go on Storage. And over here, click on Clear Data and click on OK. Once you do that, all the data of your Cash App stored in your phone is going to be deleted. Once you open your Cash App, you have to re-log in into your account again, but it should open up. But even after doing this, if your Cash App still doesn't open up, the other way to fix it is to check if your internet connection is fast or not. Sometimes due to slow internet connection, your Cash App doesn't open up. And the other thing is make sure to update your Cash App, because if you don't update your Cash App for a long time, it's not going to be up to date, and due to lack of update, your Cash App will stop to respond, alright? So just keep that in mind as well. And even after updating, doing what I did, and even after checking the Wi-Fi, if you still have the problem, the next step you can do is delete your Cash App and reinstall it again. Once you do that, it's basically going to solve your problem. And for iPhone user, the first step which I just did, which is called clearing data on Android, the same process for iPhone user is called offload, alright? So if you want to do what I did in the first step for iPhone user, you gotta search in YouTube typing how to offload apps on iPhone. They're gonna show you the step on how you guys can offload app on your iPhone, and then just do the same step, but instead of offloading other app, you gotta offload Cash App, alright? Once you do that, it should be fixed. If it doesn't, just delete and reinstall it. It should be fixed. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Bye bye everybody.